Hello world, welcome to Xonadyne Labs. I'm Dr. Els, and I'm going to assume if you are here, it's because you heard my sage advice on my previous videos and thought, I'm going to upgrade from a hard disk drive to a solid state drive because I don't want to wake up at the worst possible point in my life 5 years from now and discover my computer is completely crashed. So I'm going to make that change in my life today and go with the solid state drive, and you get it to your house. And you break it open, you break your computer open, and you realize there's no M.2 slot on my motherboard. Or if, you just lift it up and just notice, even before that, if you're, smarter than me, you noticed this beforehand, an alternate method to still put this to use, even without an M.2 slot. I'm going to show you how to connect a solid state hard drive to your computer through the motherboard on the PCIe slot. Now, using this, and the good thing about this adapter as well is it can adapt to any of the different sizes. We just so happen to be using the 2280 today, and but as you can see, this screw can go into these posts to hold down any of the other size drives you might want to purchase. But it goes without saying, so I'm going to say it anyway, make sure that whatever type of drive you're using is compatible with your motherboard to begin with, or else you're wasting your time here. Take your trusty new solid state drive, and you're going to go in at a 42 angle and hit it with the downstroke. So that's it. Behold upon a thing of beauty, right? You want to make sure that this is the correct PCI slots that you have on your motherboard, or else, as we established, you're wasting your time. And make sure you have the right PCIe slots on your motherboard.